Now that you've set up a trial account for InspectARide, let's get started. This video will show you how to install the app, enter your credentials so you can begin using it, and how to log into the online portal. Let's start with the app. To install the app, you're going to go to the Apple App Store if you have an iPhone or iPad, or if you're on an Android phone or tablet, you'll go to the Google Play Store. For this tutorial, I'm using an iPad, so I'm going to open up the App Store. Now we want to go to where we can search for apps, and we're going to enter in InspectARide. We'll tap on that. Once the InspectARide app is brought up, which we have here, we're going to tap on the button to install the app. How long this takes to install can vary based on the speed of your internet or your data connection. After the app is installed, we're going to tap on Open to open it. Once the app opens, a quick splash screen appears, and then we'll see the opening screen that it takes us to right here. We're going to tap on Next to go to the next screen. We'll tap on Next again, and then finally we're going to tap on Start Using Now. We're now looking at the home screen for the app. We can swipe our finger down to see all the available options. The last option we see here is for Setup Cloud Drive, and this is the one we want to tap on. When we do this, it brings up a screen where we can input the username and password that we just set up when we created the trial account. So let's go ahead and do that now. Now that those are entered in, we're going to put in a device name, and for this you want to give it a name that will let you know what device it's being used on. So I'm going to call this Adam's iPad. Once everything's entered, we'll tap on Continue. This will take you back to the home screen and you're ready to start using the app. The first time through the app, I highly recommend that you follow the prompts given by the helpful hints box on the screen here. If you do this, then in less than 10 minutes, these hints will teach you how to start an inspection, enter information, use the VIN decoder, add pictures, and finalize your inspection. After that, you'll be a pro and ready to do your first actual inspection with the app. So that's a look at setting up and getting started with the app. Now let's switch gears and take a look at how to log into the portal. The online portal is where you can create checklists, see the inspections you've done, and set up your account the way you want. And so to do this, we're going to minimize our app. We're going to open up our web browser. And here you'll want to go to InspectARide.com, and in the top right corner we have a button for login. So we'll simply tap on that. On this screen, it takes us to where we can log into the portal, and we'll simply plug in the same username and password that we set up as well. Once those are entered in, we'll tap on Login. The first thing this will bring up is the terms and conditions for the portal. If you agree to these, simply check the box that you accept it, and then tap on Continue. And now we're looking at the InspectARide portal. And on this screen, we can navigate to our inspections that we've done, the template editor, or account management to set up our account the way that we want. This concludes the video on getting started with InspectARide after you set up a trial account.